Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with another Junk Journal Friends journal process video. And before I start, I want to say hi and hugs to some more ladies who commented on the Junk Journal Junkaholics post with having me as Artist of the Month. So hi and hugs to Deb, Tracy, Diane, Sherry, and Ruth. Thank you all so much for commenting on that post. That was so sweet of Polly to do that for me. So off we go. We are going to do a page today for Juni. And Juni sent me awesome stuff, awesome artwork of her own. First of all, she sent me all these digitals that are her own artwork. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not going to use any of those because I want to save those to do a journal with, because they are so fun. So thank you, Juni, for those and everything else. We are going to get started here. Juni sent me some pockets. She sent me postcards. She sent along a little card, and then she sent me bookmarks, which I'll be actually using as bookmarks. And she sent me a Daphne's Diary little notebook that I will put to good use too. But I think I'm going to concentrate on these cards and her pockets and the card that she sent me for that has her well wishes in it. So I'm going to use this page. I did decide I'd go ahead and use a little bit of this digital. I'm going to do that. But other than that, we'll just go from there. Okay, so this is Juni's page. These are her postcards, which I showed in the Happy Mail that she sent me. And these she did with Prismacolor pencils. And they're just fabulous. I had to laugh. We were talking in the comments of that video. This particular one, I looked at it as this is like somebody giving someone the gift of creativity. I was talking about it being like YouTube, like, you know, making our videos, and then all this creativity comes and goes to the next person. And then I heard from one of my subbies, she said, I think it's about thinking outside of the box. So if you have a different interpretation, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. It'd be interesting to see what you think. But okay, so first of all, I wanted to use, I think I can fit nicely 3 of these little cards, and I'm just gonna save the rest then with the papers to do a journal out of. Okay, so we'll set these over here, and I'm going to leave them attached and just cut around the outsides of them. Because then we've got some of Juni's artwork on that page, just like that. Maybe I'll push them down this way, and this can be where her name will be. Although I think I'm going to switch sides with this clip on this side. Yeah, that's better. So we'll put these down here and then put her little name right there. Wonder if I have... I'm going to grab, this is just, what this is a drop paper that I had paint and stuff on, and I just doodled on it and played on it, and it's kind of in my scrap bin, but I was thinking it might be appropriate for Juni's nameplate rather than like scrapbook paper or something. Sorry, I just keep getting half a thought out there. Let's see. So if we kind of go here, gives a lot of space for Juni's name there. Okay, cool. It was so funny the other day when I couldn't find this. It was in my scrap papers. I had punched out of a scrap paper and I just laid the rest of the paper and the punch in the scrap papers. So I found it eventually. Gosh, sometimes I wonder. Okay, so Juni, let me show you this. So Juni is, put that up and you can pause on it. She's Willowbound Journals on Etsy, but she's Juni Desiree on YouTube. So check her out if you haven't. She's a wonderful artist. She makes beautiful journals. She's a sweetheart. Let's see where. Oh, here's my pen. Okay, so I'm gonna put Juni Desiree, and then I can get her last name from here. Okay. All right. So that is, I feel like it's a little light. I'm going to go over it one more time. Am I in camera? Yep. Okay. So I went out to lunch with an old work friend today, and I decided to stop by the antique store just for fun. And I got a couple things, not enough to do a haul video or anything, but I got myself a little reader that has fun old pictures in it. I feel like I'm, for some reason, running low on those, which is funny that I'm running low on anything. but those, I felt like I was. So I grabbed that. It was just $4. I thought that was a good deal. Because, gosh, sometimes, you know, I see things at the antique store and it's like, well, I'd like that for my journals, or that book would make a cool cover or something. But then it's like so expensive that I'm like, nope, no way. But my little antique store is having their holiday party on Saturday, and everything's going to be 20% off. So there was a couple of books with really cool covers, and stuff. So I might go back and do a little damage. We'll see. The other thing that was fun that I found is they had the pins from Disney, the ones that are collectible, you know, that you put on the little necklace things. And they had some of the pins, so I was able to get some of those for my granddaughters, because I told you that we're gonna go on a cruise, a Disney World and Disney cruise. So yeah, so anyway, that was a fun find too. What else did I get? Oh, I got one little golden book, a fire engine little golden book. I think that was it. Yeah, but kind of fun. Okay, so here she's got some cool pockets. I really like this one with the blue. So we might pop that on there, even though it hangs over a little. That doesn't matter. Here's another blue one. Maybe I could just hook that on there. I don't know. Oh, maybe I could go. I could go that way with that one. and that way with that one, couldn't I? And then that adds more blue. What I'm thinking about, dead silence for a minute, is the cards. I want to be able to put those in, but I think even if I put this way, actually, I think what I'm going to do is only just clip this like so. Maybe I'll do a couple of clips down here because I think I'll still be able to. And then this one, I'll glue it on this way. So the pocket that way. Okay. All right. I have a plan. Sorry, I really had to concentrate. It's late in the afternoon. I usually do my videos earlier than this so that I have more wits about me than I do right now. Oh, goodness. So anyways, my cute little friend I had lunch with is due to have a baby next week. Let's see. How am I doing this? This way. And those of you that are moms too, I'm sure you can relate to this. She is at the point where she is just ready to meet this little guy. She knows it's a boy. Meet this little guy. She is completely and totally over being pregnant. I loved it. I was like, oh, I remember that feeling. Yeah. Come out so I can meet you, you little pumpkin. Yeah. Okay. All right. So then I just am going to, she made this super cute little tag with a bulb pin. So I was thinking of tucking that maybe in here along with the other one she had. Maybe we'll go to this side with the, kind of want the ribbons hanging out, but it's not cooperating too much with me. Kind of want the stamp to show. There, that's good. Okay, and then she also made these cute little, envelope, and then these little pockets, you know, to be put on. Super cute. So I want to put the envelope in here. Maybe we'll have Mr. Parrot poking out a little bit. And these are envelopes too. These are envelopes too. I think I'll save those out. We will use them in something else. And then all of her cards with this one on top, because that one really has intrigued me. I mean, they're all so cool. Yeah, she is a talent, that one. Okay, so I'm going to put those in the big pocket back here. I kind of want some of the creative thoughts to be showing. And then behind that, I'm going to put her card that she wrote to me. And kind of put it like that, maybe. That is just a jam-packed page, but I love it. It kind of has all the elements, all the ideas that she gave me. The thing I loved about these is she used old recipe pages from a cookbook to make these pockets and envelopes and stuff. I always think about going straight to a book with text like this, But I really like the idea of using up some of those cookbook pages that way. So great idea, Juni. There's this fun little piece that I think was in there too. I don't know, maybe this came from somewhere else, but it matches. So what if we take that, it's a couple of little pieces. What if we take that, and I'm deciding whether I want to go on the side here and hang down, or up here and hang up. Oh, lost my paper clip off of this one. Got a lot going on in this book. Lots of sweet friends in this book. Oh my gosh. That's seriously, if I don't do it to myself, the universe does it to me. Look at this paper clip. It doesn't have the thingy that goes up here. Oh goodness. Okay. See, that's what it's supposed to look like. There was really a good reason I couldn't get it clipped. Oh. Okay. We got that clipped down. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, it's something about my karma or something that has me befuddled always. Okie dokie then. All right, let's get this on this take and call this a video. Oh. If I didn't know better, I'd think my husband booby-trapped my paper clips just to give me grief, but I don't think he'd venture into my craft room for that. Oh my goodness, that is hilarious. Okay. Okay, there's a fun little ribbon that kind of coordinates in with what we got going on the Juni page. Oh, life is good, isn't it? Okay, everyone. I'm going to throw this away before it tricks me again. Okay, so that's the Juni page. I know it was kind of simple and I just kind of stacked everything, but I have all of my memories that I want to keep from Juni there. So that's it. With this, I am caught up on the Junk Journal Friends videos. So we have Juni. We did Connie's page a few days ago. We have Renee. We have Paula. We have Liz. And we have Joanne. Ta-da! Oh, that's so fun. So let's see how chubby. Well, it's already an alligator mouth. I don't know how many more friends I can fit in there. What I need to do is find some more 5-ring binders, I think, and so I can make some more. But that we can get more in there. We can get more in there. So thanks everybody for watching. We will just see you next time, and take care. And thanks for watching. Bye.